A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And here we are back with our NTA UGC-NET JRF examination for December 2023. That is preparation for our paper 1 on the topic information and communication technology. As you all are aware that we have started with this particular unit and we have already completed 4 sessions on this unit. Today is the 5th session on the topic types of computer. So this is one of the very small topic, but yes, it's very important from examination point of view. So let's have a complete look at this particular topic. Let's understand. Make sure that you can you can make your notes, running notes. At the same time, you can the topic is very small so that you can concentrate well and understand the topic properly. So before we go ahead, let me tell you that Global Online has brought a complete course for you with respect to paper 1, and this complete course will be consisting of daily live lectures in Hindi and English. It will be also recorded lectures as per your the languages at all the units. It will have full syllabus notes in the downloaded format. It will have 60 plus mock tests, 2000 plus MCQs. This all is available to you at a fee cost of rupees 4,500, on which we have kept a 20% off. So this particular course is available to you at the fee cost of rupees 3,600. You can, once you have downloaded the app, you can register yourself with the registered mobile number, and you can just see the interface of this particular course, which has various folders as per the languages, as per the faculty members, as per the syllabus, the topic wise, which consists of theory lectures, evaluation tests, notes, mock test, and MCQs lecture. So this is all what we have. In order to get in touch with the team, you can get in touch with the given contact number so that it will help you to get your queries solved, if any. Now let's start with the topic. Now, first, let's understand the type of computers. Type of computers are basically what? So if you see, the types of computers are divided into 4 types. That is on the basis of size, on the basis of data, on the basis of brands, and on the basis of purpose. So there are basically 4 types. Now on the basis of size, so you have all the topics related to basis of size. Analog, digital, and hybrid also. There are some parts which we'll be doing later. Then we have brands and purpose are also there. For brands, you don't have much things, but yes, with respect to size, with respect to data, with respect to purpose, you have little bit of information for you. Okay, now let's understand on basis of size. What are the computers on the basis of size? So on the basis of size, we have microcomputers, we have mini computers, we have mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Okay, this is something based on size. You should remember this difference also, because you may get a simple question based on difference. So you should be able to answer this. On the basis of data, you have analog, you have digital and hybrid computers. On the basis of brand, you have Apple and IBM, Mac, Apple. On the basis of purpose, you have general computers and specific computers, right? So let's understand now. We will be focusing, the main thing will be focusing on size. So as I said, based on size, we have micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputers, right? So this is the first type what we are doing over here: micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputers. So when we look at microcomputers, it is basically a desktop or a laptop or a palm top. The size, that is, it is talking about the size which is in the form of desktop, laptop, or palm top. Uses only one at a time. Speed, it gives the speed in microseconds. What are the peripherals, devices? That is in the form of joystick, modems, keyboard, printer, monitors, drives, etc. When it comes to environment, it is dust-free, antivirus, and protection environment. And yes, it is one of notes, as you know, it is in the cheapest form. So microcomputers basically one which are having this following features with reference to size, users, speed, peripherals, environment, and notes. You have to keep this for statement questions. You can get this point. Moving towards mini computers, yes, they are small. The size of the mini computers is about a small fillings cabinet, okay, which can help 1 to 100 users at a time to use. The speed is in nanoseconds, 100 nanoseconds. The peripherals are in the form of terminals and printers. Environment where you require air conditioning and security is completely recommended. Yes, it is used for small business or departmental use. So this is in the form of what? It is in the form of mini computers. Coming to mainframe computers, that is a large office desk dimensions, which is in size, which can help 100 to 500 users to use the computers with 70 under the speed is under 70 nanoseconds, which is used with the help of magnetic tape drive, and the environment is definitely cool, especially cool environment with a fire protection and a security required. Notes, it is often used as a network in medium to large scale businesses. Like for example, let us take an example here is banks. Okay, coming to supercomputers, yes, it is a room full of large size filling cabinets, which can which can be used by more than 500,000 users, which speed is in nanoseconds, 15 nanoseconds. It has a high performance devices, and yes, special cooling with fire protection and security is required. It is a severe hit build up. So for the scientific application, this is basically used in the form of what is used in the form of scientific applications. Now this itself, from this particular topic itself, you will be getting, either the size with the reference to size, with reference to the users, with reference to the speeds, or with reference to peripherals, and they may give, the examples. Okay, so this is what you have to keep in mind with respect to what? With respect to your computers, which is based on the size. It is basically talking about what size, which is divided into 4 types: micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputers, right? But yes, apart from this particular point, we have, the difference between micro, mini, and mainframe computers. So this also will help you to attempt any of your statement questions. So the introduction is given over here. So when it comes to micro, it is in 1970s. When it comes to mini computers in 1960. When it comes to mainframe computers, it is 1975. When we talk about microcomputers, so microcomputers are the one which basically consist of what? So microcomputers are the one which basically consist of one processor. You have one processor over here. Whereas in mini computers, you have 2 or more processors. And in mainframe computers, it consists of multi-processors. So keep this in mind. Micro consists of one, mini consists of 2 or more processors, whereas your mainframe computer consists of multiple processors. Okay. Now, capacity, micro is in gigabytes, mini is in terabytes, and mainframe computers is petabytes. So just remember, this is just storage capacity. It's storage capacity. There are 2 points. One is the storage capacity and one is memory. So when we talk about memory, it is megabytes, mini computer gigabytes, as well as main computers also, mainframe computers gigabytes. So when we look at microcomputers, it can be used by one user at a time. But yes, coming to mini computers, 2 to 2000 connected users at a time. And when it comes to mainframe computers, it is basically several hundreds to thousands at a time. Micros are very small in size. Mini computers are bigger than micro, and mainframe computers size is bigger than macro and mini. Okay, so size wise, mainframe is highest. Price point, you will not definitely get this point, so we'll just ignore this point. Let's see the usage. It is used in home offices and educational institutions. I'm talking about microcomputers. Whereas mini computers, it's used by business institutes and departments. Mainframe computers, it is used by large organizations such as banking industry. Examples they have given. Let us take an example of micro: IBM, Apple. Mini computers, it's VAX, okay, 8800 to MV 1500, okay. And mainframe computers is IBM 370 and NEC. These are the examples with reference to what? With reference to your size, on the basis of size. Okay, so as I said, we have, we will be doing digital and we will be doing purpose also in next session. But right now, what I focused is basically on what? Whatever I focused is basically on your size. micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputers, where my focus was. And coming to next is your difference between the size, the users, the speed, peripherals, environment, and nodes, including again introduction here and the normal storage as well as the memory capacity. So a very small topic so that you can focus very well on this particular point and start your learning. Now today evening also we have a lecture on YouTube that is at 9:30. So yesterday on those students who are subscribed on the app, we have done some part of digital initiatives. Today we will be doing remaining digital initiatives with respect to ICT. That's so 9:30. Stay tuned. You'll be having session today also on YouTube. Yes. So before we end up, let me tell you that Global Online has also providing paper 2 notes in the form of notes as well as MCQs. You can get in touch with us for these following subjects. You can get in touch with us with the help of these contact details. The fees is rupees 1600 with a 20% off. So the fees price will be 1280. So that is what you will get the paper 2 notes for. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.